Hi everyone, in this video I am going to take you to the gastronomy. At Atlantis The Royal, you need to make an advanced booking to dine at the Gastronomy Restaurant. Atlantis Royal is just next to the Atlantis, where we used to go to the Saffron Buffet restaurant. The gastronomy buffet dinner is 365 AED for each person, and the buffet starts at 6 p.m. As soon as you enter the hotel, you will find the wide lobby with many sitting area. Since IT's a bit early, we went to the ladies' room and took some mirror selfie. From the entrance to the right, you go straight to Gastronomy Restaurant. Take another right again when you find the Dolce & Gabbana shop. Take escalator to go up to the buffet restaurant. You can go outside to the terrace area to have a big picture of the hotel. You can also sit at the terrace when it is not too hot. This is a soup and Asian section, where you can add your own ingredients for soup, with some stirred fried and Korean dish. The 7 C's. The lobsters, oysters, scallops, sushi display is really gigantic. There, you get your own styled seafood, grilled salmon, grilled lobster with cheese. This is a section of dairy and cold meat, where you can get different kinds of cheese, honey, cold processed meat, and pickles. Grilled area, this side, you will get grilled vegetables and mashed potatoes. Grilled section, this side is all grilled meat like brisket, lamb, kebab. The orchard section, different kinds of fresh vegetables, and salads with many dressing. The dressing dispenser on the wall is a good idea, and everything's is so fresh. Wontons section, and this is an Indian section for spiced food. Bakery and dessert section. Variety of dates, baklava and sweets. Different cones and different flavors of ice creams with many toppings. Plenty of tarts and cakes are ready to be served, and fruits are freshly prepared. Chocolate section. Dark, milk chocolates with nuts and muffins to dips in chocolate syrups. Every bite is flavorful, fresh, and beautifully presented. Gastronomy is a luxury food hall with live cooking station, top-tier ingredients. Atlantis The Royal is the iconic wave-like architecture. The vibe is chic, exclusive, and high energy. You can also watch the free fountain dance. Gastronomy at the Atlantis The Royal is a standout dining experience. It reflects the resort's overall vibe, elevated, global, and unforgettable.